Welcome to the 10-Minute Mind. Upgrade your life, one big idea at a time. Imagine a line of dominoes. Each domino is capable of knocking over another domino that is 50% larger than itself. If you start with a tiny domino, only 2 inches high, by the 23rd domino, you would knock over the Eiffel Tower. By the 31st domino, you would knock over Mount Everest. And by the 57th domino, you would touch the moon. This is the power of the geometric progression, and it explains the secret of extraordinary success. Success is sequential, not simultaneous. You don't do everything at once. You find the first small domino and you push it over. Today, we are diving deep into The One Thing by Gary Keller. This book will teach you how to ignore the noise, cut through the chaos, and achieve massive results by doing less. Stay with me, because in Chapter 3, I will give you a step-by-step blueprint to apply this to your life starting tomorrow morning. Chapter 1. We have been told a lie. The lie is that multitasking is efficient. We wear busy like a badge of honor. We think doing 2 things at once means getting double the results. But the science says, no. The human brain cannot focus on 2 things at once. It can only switch back and forth. Every time you switch from writing a report to checking a text message, there is a switching cost. You lose time, you lose focus, and you lower your IQ. Multitasking is not efficiency. It is merely the opportunity to screw up more than 1 thing at a time. Think about your to-do list. It is probably long, scary, and full of trivial tasks. Gary Keller says, "Success is not a game of who can check off the most boxes. Not all tasks matter equally. You must treat your to-do list like a survival kit. If you could only do 1 thing on that list today, which one would make the biggest impact? That is your one thing." Chapter 2. So, how do you find your one thing? You must ask the focusing question. This is the heart of the book. Memorize it. What is the one thing I can do, such that by doing it, everything else will be easier or unnecessary? Let's break that down. Part 1. The one thing. Not 2, not 5, just 1. Part 2. Such that by doing it. This means there is a cause and effect. Part 3. Everything else will be easier or unnecessary. This is the magic. This is the Archimedes lever. You are looking for the lead domino. For example, in business, instead of trying to post on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, call clients, and write emails all at once, ask the question. Maybe your one thing is to hire a talented content manager. By doing that one thing, all the posting becomes unnecessary for you, and growing your business becomes easier. Chapter 3. Theory is useless without action. You might be thinking, but I have a boss. I have bills. I can't just do 1 thing all day. Here is how you apply the one thing in the real world. Step 1. The Great Unburdening. Take a piece of paper. Write down every single task you have. Now, apply the 80-20 rule. Circle the 20% that matter. Then, apply the 80-20 rule again to that small list. Keep going until you have just 1 item left. That is your priority for tomorrow morning. Step 2. Time blocking. This is the secret weapon of billionaires. You must block out time for your one thing. Gary Keller recommends 4 hours a day. But I don't have 4 hours, you say. Then start with 1 hour or 30 minutes. But during that block, it is sacred. No phone, no email, no just a quick question from colleagues. Build a bunker. Lock the door. If you don't protect your time, nobody else will. Step 3. Goal setting to the now. Most people set a goal for someday, and then they do nothing today. You need to connect the dots backwards. Ask, what is the one thing I can do in the next 5 years to hit my someday goal? What is the one thing I can do this year to hit my 5-year goal? What is the one thing I can do this month, this week, today, right now? This connects your big vision to your small action in this very moment. Chapter 4. Even with a plan, you will be attacked. Gary Keller warns us about the 4 thieves that will steal your productivity. Thief number 1, the inability to say no. When you say yes to something unimportant, you are saying no to your one thing. Steve Jobs said, "Focus means saying no to the 100 other good ideas that there are." Thief number 2, fear of chaos. When you focus on just one thing, other things will get messy. The laundry might pile up, the emails might go unanswered. That is okay. Make peace with chaos. You can't keep all the plates spinning if you want to hold the big trophy. Thief number 3, poor health habits. You cannot be productive if you are exhausted. Your brain needs energy. Sleep, exercise, eat well. Your body is the engine of your success. Don't neglect it. Thief number 4, environment. Does your environment support your goals, or does it distract you? If your desk is messy, your mind is messy. If your friends are lazy, you will be lazy. Chapter 5. To truly focus on your one thing, you need leverage. You cannot do it all alone. Remember, everything else becomes easier or unnecessary. Often, unnecessary means someone else does it. If your one thing is creating content, you shouldn't be editing videos. Use a platform like Fiverr to find an editor. If your one thing is building a product, you shouldn't be manually sending emails. Use a tool like ClickFunnels to build an automated system. Or use AI tools like vidIQ to handle your YouTube research. These tools are not just expenses, they are investments in your focus. I have curated a list of these essential tools in the 10-minute toolkit. You can find the link in the description. Use them to clear the path for your one thing. Conclusion. Success is simple. Do fewer things for more effect. Look at your life right now. What is the one thing you can do right now, such that by doing it, everything else will be easier or unnecessary? Don't guess. Don't procrastinate. Find the first domino and push it. Subscribe to the 10-Minute Mind for more big ideas. And check the description for the tools to build your focus. See you in the next video.